Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends, how is everybody doing today? This morning I went to the market and I found some nice fresh cauliflower and some nice vegetables. So I went to the farmers market. Today is Saturday, so there's a farmers market, so I picked up fresh cauliflower from the farmers market. It came fresh from the garden. That guy said he cut it this morning, and we're gonna be making cauliflower with the potatoes and some tomatoes. I have 2 medium size of potatoes over here, cubed and washed. Always put your potatoes in the water so they don't get dark color. They're gonna change the color of those. They're gonna get black. And I have 1 medium size of tomato and half a medium size of onion and some cilantro and green pepper for the garnishing. And I have a half a spoon of red pepper because I'm gonna use only half a spoon because I have a lot of green pepper over there. Some salt, 1 spoon, salt to taste, and 1 spoon of coriander powder, and there's some zira, cumin seeds, half a spoon. It's actually optional. You can even use kalonji or black onion seeds, whatever you call them, and we call them kalonji. That's also, you can put it in there if you don't want to use cumin, or you don't have to use nothing if you don't want to use anything. And over here I got 1 spoon of garlic and ginger paste. If you don't have a garlic and ginger paste, take maybe 2 or 3 cloves of garlic and crush them, and also take a half a spoon of ginger and chop them very finely, or maybe you can crush them too. Okay, and let's see what we're going to do with this big gobi. It's too big. This cauliflower is very big. I already cut 1 piece from here, and I'm going to show you how to cut rest of it. It's very easy to do it, but there's a trick to do this. Okay, we are going to be cutting from here, taking 1 piece at a time. Okay, just separate them like this. Okay, and we're gonna move this one over here and just take this one and separate these pieces. Okay, we just separate them like that. And if it's not, I'm gonna just take the hot part out from here, and rest of it is very tender, so I'm just gonna chop this one like that. It's good too, and you can just cut it into a couple of pieces like that. Separate them, just cut this and break them like this. Okay, let me go complete that, and then I'm gonna wash it and come back and meet you. Okay friends, that's all I needed. I don't want more than that. We cannot use more than that because we are only 2 people. That also we're gonna eat like 2 or 3 days. So if you have a little like a tender leaves like this, you can even chop them and put it in there too. That's also tastes good. If it's very hard ones, you just remove them, but this is so soft, I can just add them in there like that. And what I'm gonna do with this half of the cauliflower left, it's almost, I just took a little piece from here, and this half of is left. I'm gonna make either cauliflower bites. I already gave you the recipe. You can go ahead and look in my description box. I'm gonna put in my description box, or I'm gonna make a parathas, gobi parathas, and give you the recipe, stuffed gobi parathas. Okay, let's go ahead and first start cooking this. Okay friends, it's time to cook cauliflower. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are gonna put some oil in there, about 3 to 4 spoons of oil. It's a canola oil. Once oil gets a little bit warm, we'll add zira, cumin seeds, it's already starts smelling good with the zira. It's cracked. All the zira is cracked and it's cooked. So I'm gonna add onions, chopped onions. the onions, I usually add potatoes. With the onions, I usually add potatoes because potatoes is gonna gets a little bit cooked with them. Because cauliflower don't take that long to cook, but potatoes will take a little longer to cook. Okay. Now we're gonna saute it for a little while. Not to make it golden brown, just a little bit of color change in the potatoes and onions. Then we're gonna add the rest of the stuff. Okay, onions and potatoes are slightly brown. You can see that. Let me show you. Okay, onions is also, potatoes also a little slightly brown. So we can add garlic and ginger paste to remove the first to remove all the raw smell from the garlic and ginger. We're gonna fry for a little while. Saute it for a little while. Now I'm gonna add turmeric powder. Which I forgot to give the ingredients. Sorry. Okay, now we're gonna add pepper and coriander powder, dhania powder, and salt to taste. For a few minutes, saute it for a few minutes until all the raw smell goes away. See that? Now we are going to add tomatoes. Okay, I'm going to cover the pot and reduce the flame for just 5 minutes. Okay, then we're gonna add our cauliflower. Okay, it's 2 to 3 minutes. Let's see if your tomatoes are soft. Yeah, our tomatoes are soft. You can see that. See, our tomatoes are so soft. So we're gonna add the cauliflower now. We are not adding any water in there because it's so tender, so fresh. If yours is like older cauliflower, or maybe if it's not this tender, you can add like a couple of spoons of water. Do not add too much water because you do not want to make cauliflower to be mushy. It's soft but not mushy. Okay. It should be soft but not mushy, okay? Okay, I'm gonna just keep the flame is low and cover it and cook for probably 10 minutes. So it will get cooked. Okay friends, it's been cooking for 10 minutes. I did not put any water, but I think it's released the water. Once you put the flame lower, it releases the water, see? Itself. So it's already cooked. See, it's not mushy. Still the pieces are there, but they're cooked. They're tender. I can show it to you. Ooh, let's see. See, it's cooked, but it's not mushy. And the potatoes also cooked. They're not mushy. See, perfectly cooked. Okay, I'm gonna put the flame higher. I'm going to let it drain the rest of the water. Then I'm going to put it in the plate and show it to you. Okay friends, our cauliflower and potato curry is ready. We're going to garnish with some cilantro and some green chilies, green pepper. I put it little big pieces because if somebody don't want it, they don't have, they can remove them. Okay. Okay, looks yummy. Try it and let me know how it is. Okay. See you next video. Bye.